So this is HP Victus 15 2022 version with Intel's dual Zen chip inside. So today we're gonna do unboxing of this laptop and set it up real quick. So let's get started. So when you first open the box, you'll be presented with the instruction paper and the laptop itself. Now HP did a horrible job on packaging this laptop. We'll take a look at the laptop in a bit. Let's see what else is inside the box. Now it comes with 150 watt power adapter and a power cord. So here's the laptop itself. Now first look at the laptop. It feels a bit heavy and bulky. Now that is to be expected from a budget gaming laptop, or I guess saying that's the feature of the gaming laptop would have made more sense. But I like the way this laptop looks. It is a gaming laptop with 15.6-inch Full HD display and 144Hz refresh rate, which helps making your gaming experience really smooth. Now talking about the specs, it has Intel's Core i5 dual Zen CPU and NVIDIA GPU. Now I'll talk more about this laptop in the full review, but if you want to look at the spec sheet and other features, I'll put it in the description below. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. So this is it guys, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.